So we are here now just to present our project, the Sustainable Life Game.
What about the project goals in education of this digital board game?
Okay, this digital board game is created to engage the students' attention in a challenging way,
Increase pupil technological skills,
include all students because all the activities are intuitive and accessible.
yes, learn contents of Agenda 2030 goals.
And you know, Fabiana, what are the innovative contents of this board game?
The board game could be used in the classroom or at home, for example. Share to other teachers that could be create their own copy and adapt the content to their classroom.
Yes, because you can change all the steps,
activities,
yes, and the activities in the steps.
But Valentina, how it works?
Okay, the board game is developed on the Deck.Toys platform, that is an online platform, and it has a lot of different activities.
Like close, drag and drop, so memory.
Yes, all these activities are based, of course, on 2030 agenda, but just 5 goals. The goals more easy to realize in the life of the pupils.
Yes, the various steps students discover how concretely they can change some of their daily experience behaviors to reduce the environment's impact. Students must complete all the activities to reach the next step.
Yes, step by step they arrive to the final.
Valentina, what about teacher's role in this activity?
The teacher's role is just to guide the pupils step by step to do reflection and do personal thoughts about Agenda 2030 goals. Let pupils cooperate to pass through the steps and help teamwork and sharing between the students. In this activity, the key of our teaching is gamification.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you later.
Adesso lo elimino.